These sums, the 5 of them, are each asking us to do at least 2 things. So we need to decide which ones do we do first. And we use the acronym Bodmas to help us. Right, now we've got Bodmas, let's start to use it. 3 plus 4 times 2. Well, multiplying becomes for adding, so I'm going to do that first. So it's going to become, 4 times 2 is 8, so it's going to become 3 plus 8. And then we become 11 when I do the addition. Well, next one, 9, take away 2 times 2. Well, multiplying becomes before subtraction, so this is going to become 9 minus 4, and 9 minus 4 is 5. Now it's important you didn't write that as 4 minus 9. We keep it in the same order things happened, so that is 5. So going on to the bottom row, we've got 5, bracket 3 plus 4. Now, 2 things to note here. Brackets first is the B, so that's the first thing we do. We do things inside brackets first. And the other is, you might have noticed there's no sign between the 5 and the 3. Well, if you don't have a sign, it's always a times. So this is 5 times the bracket 3 plus 4. As I said before, we do the bracket first. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So this becomes 5 times 7. And now we just do the multiplying, 35. Okay, now on to the fourth one, 7 take away 6 divided by 2. Well, dividing becomes before subtraction. So again, keeping things in the same order. 7 take away 3, and that's 4. Now in the last example, we've got 3 things. We've got a times, a squared, and a plus. Well, the O stands for powers, okay? The very silent P there. So I'm going to do my powers first. Now 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. So this becomes 4 times 9 plus 1. Now, we've got a multiply and an add. Well, we do the multiplying before the adding. So this 4 times 9 is 36. And then we add the 1, 37. So that is some Bodmas for you.